So got another accessory from one of the companies that I recently did a video on that I found and I've been looking for a very long time. I will leave that in the cards somewhere for you, okay? So this is for the B-pillar, protection for it, PPF. Love me some PPF. My center console was matte PPF from Test Bros, and now I found this for the B-pillar. This is pretty much glass, okay? So I want to make sure it's protected. Not a bad price. I'll put the price somewhere or in the description for you, but we're gonna just do a quick video and I'll install like one side for you. And if you would like to pick it up, I bought it myself. This is not sponsored. Would be nice anyway, but yes, we're gonna put this on the B-pillars to get some extra protection. They have two different types. It's either glossy or matte. I'm a matte person, but since this is glass, what I was thinking probably is to go glossy where it doesn't look like it's there. We'll see how that turns out. We'll see what's in the box. Very light box, nice little bag. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Of course, the spray bottles to apply PPF. You will always get your slip solution, and you'll always get the tack solution as well, okay? So you just put water in there. The stuff is already in there. And as always, they give you like a little postcard purchase, QR code, how to install it, and how to share this. A nice little squeegee. And then, of course, the PPF to apply on the B-pillar. Let's get it applied. I'll probably clean it beforehand and then apply the PPF. All right. All right, so we got it all clean. As you can see here, you have your slip solution and your tack solution. So I guess the slip solution is the one that has something in there. I don't know if you can see that from the camera or not. You can see like little particles or something in there, but that's fine. All right, so we're gonna get started. I mean, it's pretty much, I think, self-explanatory, but I'm looking at the way, I think it's this one, because you can see that little eye right there, the little cutout, and it's the same as this one. So we're gonna go with this one. For some reason, that new bottle was not working, so I just went and got one that I had before when I applied some more PPF. So I'm just spraying it really well. So I got that. I'm just spraying my hands a little bit so they're not too sticky. All right, so let's see what we got here. And I think what I'm gonna do is spray this. I don't know if that bottom part goes inside the window. It probably does. So I think you have to open the door. Okay, there it is. Now we're talking. Starting to stick a little bit, but not too bad. And you just line it up as best as you can. The fit is like perfect. Your main goal is to not get any bubbles. All right, let's reapply it here. I think I have it where I want it, so I'm grabbing this now. So now I'm just applying it down. Oops, I might have to use some tack solution on that. Guys, this is like easy, and the fit is perfect because it pretty much looks exactly like the glass that it's covering. Okay, so one thing, you make sure you open the doors so you can see the full length of the B-pillar. Spray it one more time and just try to smooth it out one more time. If you all don't know, I'm left-handed, so it might look a little odd. So that PPF is not going anywhere. Wipe it off here, but so no big bubbles at all. So let's get this camera repositioned and see what you think, and we'll close out this video. Okay, I think I did a good job on this. There's really no overhang at all. I don't really see a lot of bubbles, maybe some really small bubbles that will not pick up on the video on the camera. But yeah, so now I got it covered. It's glossy, it's very smooth. It feels really the same. The only time I can tell that it's on there is when I run it across the camera here because there's a cutout. Cool, let's close out this video. If you are looking through this video, this camera lens, you can't really tell it's on there, right? That's why I wanted to get the glossy. I was really kind of afraid of how the matte would look. You could probably kind of tell that it was on there. Down here where it wasn't perfect, it's probably me, I probably went too far at the top, but it's on there and I really like it and I don't have to worry about it, so I can like scratch the hell out of it. One advantage of PPF, it'll protect your stuff. But as I said earlier, I'll leave it in the description for you if you want to pick this up this YouTube can. See you in the next video.